In Hiking in Andalucia, we will present you the most beautiful hikes out here. Mainly in Andalucia, but we will also make trips to other regions. At the end of the film, we give you the link where you can download the route via Outdooractive. Today we are in the center of Andalucia, in the Parque Natural Sierra de Tejeda, Almijara y Alhama. Close to Competa, you will find several white villages that are more than worth a visit. We make a hike today in Canillas de Albaida. Our hike is a good 6 kilometers with some short technical parts, but easy to walk for an experienced walker. We start at the Roman bridge, a few hundred meters from Canillas, at the Rio Turbilla. The height difference is more than 300 meters, and we get that especially in the first 2.5 kilometers. Via a zigzag path, we get to the road, which we cross, to not continue to follow the GR249 there. We walk through numerous olive plantations and regularly get beautiful views of the village of Canillas de Albaida. The first part is beautiful, via mostly wider dirt paths. We did this trip at the end of November, in the afternoon with a nice sun and around 20 degrees Celsius. It is sometimes cooler in the shade, especially on a windy day like today. About the middle of our journey, we take the narrow path, which is almost all downhill. When we get to the ruin, we can hear the Rio Cajula, which we continue to follow throughout the second part of the tour. The road winds here to the left and right of the river. Nice bridges have been made everywhere, and in the summer you can always find refreshment in the stream here. The nice thing about Andalusia is that you can hike here all year long. The summer months are quite hot, but from September to June weather conditions are perfect. The daytime temperature hardly comes under 15 degrees Celsius here in winter. In this fertile region around Las Cuevas, we walk right through a fruit plantation with numerous oranges, mandarins, limes, lemons, avocados. You notice that it is autumn by the falling leaves and by the earlier setting sun. But we really enjoyed this beautiful walk. Definitely recommend it for a short, quiet walk of about 2.5 hours. To download the link for this hike, please go to the website of Outdooractive.com. In the menu on the top left, search for Noel Gijs, that's me, and then click on my profile. And you will find all the tours I already made for you. Between the routes, you will find this hike, Canillas de Albaida, Bridge, Cuevas, Canillas. You can also type this complete link and you will be straight at the tour. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like our movie. It's free and it only takes a few seconds. This way we can keep working on more videos and tours for you.